Spacious new construction ranches are hard to find, and this one's almost ready for you. Construction is well underway at 2238 Prairie Street in the Sawinwood neighborhood of Glenview, Illinois. You can already feel the volume with soaring 16-foot ceilings and oversized windows, and a floor plan that flows beautifully from room to room. The open concept design gives you a large kitchen and dining space. The connected family room offers a cozy fireplace, which is in progress, with multiple courtyards bringing the outside in, featuring 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths with a primary suite that's gonna knock your socks off. And here's the best part. There's still time to pick your finishes, your countertops, your tiles, your ceiling, and truly make this home your own. Enjoy a backyard adjacent to Roosevelt Park and Aquatic Center. You're just a few short blocks from downtown Glenview, the Metra train station, and all the hot new dining spots Glenview has to offer. Schedule your tour now and see why this new construction ranch could be exactly what you're waiting for.